Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sync standard notes across devices step by step. A standard note securely synchronizes your encrypted notes between your computer, smartphone, tablet, and web app, so you can access your information wherever you are. So let's get started. First, make sure you've already created a Standard Notes account. Open the Standard Notes app on your first device and sign in using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, your notes will automatically be stored and synchronized through your encrypted account. Next, install Standard Notes on your other devices, such as your Windows PC, Mac, Android phone, iPhone, or tablet. After installation, sign in using the exact same account credentials on every device you want to keep synchronized. Once you're signed in, wait a few moments for the initial synchronization to complete. The amount of time depends on the number of notes in your account and the speed of your internet connection. Make sure each device has a stable internet connection during the first sync. To confirm everything is working correctly, create a new note on one device and wait for synchronization to finish. Then open Standard Notes on another device and verify that the new note appears automatically. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the app or reopen it to trigger another sync. Finally, keep Standard Notes updated on all your devices to ensure you have the latest features, security improvements, and synchronization enhancements. And that's it. You now know how to sync Standard Notes across multiple devices and securely access your encrypted notes wherever you go. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey